Welcome to Invest. We'll talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As a recording time of 9:04 a.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum country $2,807, up about 1.15% so far. As you can see clearly on the left side of the chart, the overall altcoin market is green to up at the moment. Like some coins are flat, but some are obviously more popularized and more microly driven as well, driving more buying pressure. If you look at Solana specifically, it's up about close to 7%. XRP and polkadot and algorand are all up respectively about 5%, while AVAX is up about 10% so far. And on a pre-market perspective, we're basically about 25 minutes away from the market opening up. We are obviously, we had a huge, massive rally across the equity side of the house after the FOMC meeting. And what we saw yesterday was just like a relief rally, confirming on Wall Street expectation compared to Jerome's verbiage during the FOMC meeting. So we are gliding, in an optimistic level, obviously based on what we've learned so far. So the market has been trying to basically price in the rates that we've had so far, right? And driving the sell off, like typically the buy the rumor, sell the news, or the other way around, like sell the rumor, buy the news type of affectation, which is exactly what happened yesterday. So today we're seeing some normalization on equity side because of that reason, because we've surged up so nicely yesterday. So some people on a short-term perspective are looking for a reason to take some short-term profit because they believe that we're still in a downtrend. So we'll dive in technicals to see if that's the case, right? In addition to that, coming out from this morning, fresh off the job reports from the U.S. labor market, it seems like with respect to the initial filing for the unemployment insurance, total of 214,000 for the week ended March 12, is better than the Dow Jones estimates of 220,000, so 220,000, and a decline of 15,000 from the prior week. So it seems like we are, not beating in a dramatic fashion, but just like, on an incremental fashion, exceeding the expectations a little bit better. So with that being said, despite yesterday's surge, we should technically see more optimistic type of, I guess, bullish momentum coming, as we continue the rally that we've seen so far. But yesterday was a dramatic one, at the same time was a relief one. So despite today's a positive signal from the jobless claim, it will still convey some sort of a profit taking. So we'll see how the day translates going forward. And there are still some technical levels that we need to get above for us to continue the bullish momentum to confirm fully that the reversal's in, right? So that's something we have to think about. Look at the S&P as well. We are seeing obviously a big gap, so we filled up and we formed a golden cross. That's why we're surging up. So I do see more buying pressure ahead. Respect to Tesla, for example, with the 831 right now, you could see that clearly we could not get up to the 858. So we technically should be coming back down, knowing the fact that we are seeing that in front of our eyes right now. We're basically like $9 below it, down about 1% pre-market perspective. NEO, the next monumental level we need to get up to is somewhere around above 20. So we're like a little bit below it right now. We are still bullish at the 44 out of 70, about to form a golden cross. So as we form a golden cross, I think we should technically go back up to the mid-20s from here. Baba made all the gains basically in a day, and the gains that I'm talking about is basically like years of gains happen in 24 hours. Right now the 101 in the pre-market perspective jumped from 73 all the way to 100 with the 50 out of 70. So I think we ideally should look at potentially taking profit somewhere around like the 115, which is when the RSI scale is extremely overbought, and at the same time when we are fully curved up to cross up to the MACD line, right? So that's something we have to think about in the short-term perspective. But if you believe in BABA long-term, we see more upside coming from here, right? Because like we were trading at like somewhere around $320 back in the day. So this is still a major discount in my opinion right now. So let's go back to the crypto side. We are at the $2,815 right now. So next level we need to get up to is testing, right? 2850. But can we keep going to 3158, which is a level that is quite substantive, right? It's a big jump from there. With the 55 out of 70, we cross up right now, but knowing the fact that we are at the 55 out of 70, I think we might get up to the 2850 and then maybe test somewhere in like the 3000 again, but give back up and come back down to like the 262, like the 2850 again, and possibly even like the 2600 again, just to recuperate our side to regain momentum. And that if that does perform in that way, we will form a upward ascending escalator, and that's a good thing. That means the reversal is fully baked in. And respect to the Bitcoin, it seems like we're still kind of bearish at the actually we're still having the lower lows. We did break above 40, so that's a good thing, but we have to get above to 44 as the next level, right? So can we get there? We have to think about it, right? With the 55 out of 70, we cross up, so that's a big stretch to get up there, right? So I think maybe going back down to like the 40 again, right? I think ideally going back to like 37,500 or even 35 is more logical to like cool back down on our RSI scale before we keep going up, right? So right now this is still in the bearish state in comparison to Ethereum. Dogecoin at the 42 out of right now. I like anywhere from basically 11 all the way to 1066. Cardano is 85 right now, anywhere from basically 78 all the way to 74. We at the 47 out of 70. Is a big leap, right? The next level we would ideally get canceled out at would be 90, which is a flat number, but and then subsequently we have to go to 96, which is the next level of resistance, right? But and then you have to get up to 102, so you have 3 levels to break up. But it's gonna be a stretch because of already kind of on a higher echelon of the optimal level, right? Solana is up about close to 7% right now. I like anywhere from 85 all the way to 75. We jumped up really sharply at the 50 out of 70 right now. So the next level to watch out for would be somewhere around like the 95 and then 100 from here. XRP is up about 3.5%. We're gliding at the comfortable level with the 55 out of 70 right now. So not the best level in terms of incurring risk. Again, right, 69 to 57. So I prefer anywhere from 62 to 57 from here. Polkadot's up about 4.5%, 1898 right now. I like anywhere from basically 16 all the way to 14 from here. So with the 55 out of 70. Algorand's up about 3.5%, 73 cents right now. Anywhere from the I would say 68 all the way to the bottom from here. Right now it's okay. I mean, if you believe in Algorand in the long term, then you should be think about incurring risk because we are pretty much at the bottom from all the way historically, right? Shiba Inu low 2000, so 2100, 1400, 900 from here, the 44 out of 70. But we are about to form a golden cross, so I do see some surge coming for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu seems like a break up is gonna be coming imminently. Polkadot, not Polkadot, Polygon up about 1%. We are above the 147 again. So, but for me, 143 to 120 is more logical for me. AVAX up about 10%. We are surging up to the next comfortable level to 80, right? So it's not a surprise. The reason we did is because of the golden cross. So this is just technical speaking the truth again. With the 56 out of 70, so can we keep going up? I would say relatively a big stretch because we have to get up to ideally to 90. So I prefer anywhere from 59 to 50 again from here. Luna is going to be selling off any day soon now. We formed a death cross recently, but we are still at the 56 out of 70. So 62, 52 to 45 from here. All right, so despite the rally that we've been seeing so far, I mean, it's logical that some people are taking profit, so it makes sense. But we're still not out of the woods completely. We're still in the downtrend. So this could be just a, like a bear market rally, if you may, right? So we have to watch out, but I think we know the levels that we need to watch out for to confirm the reversal, to allow us to regain momentum to keep surging from here, right? So appreciate you. Hope you have a good Thursday. And let me know if you have questions. Take care.